Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today I'm going to show you how to properly connect your ClicknGo2 Plow system to your ATV. So to properly connect your ClicknGo2 Plow system, you see you're going to have one hook here and you're going to have a hook here. This is the hook you want to use when connecting this push tube and the plow blade to the mount on your ATV. And I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is let the winch rope out. Give yourself enough rope to come down to this hook here. Now don't worry about this. This is my winch bumper that is broke. So this is the hook you want to hook it up to first. This allows you to lift the push tube and the plow blade straight up like this so that you can connect it onto the mount underneath your ATV. If you were to use this hook here, it would just push your plow blade in the system here further back and you wouldn't be able to hook up your push tube to the mounts. So this is why you have to use this one here. So now we're going to lift this. And you can see the back end of the push tube comes up this way. And I'm going to show you underneath what I mean. Now there's what I mean. You see how the back of the push tube comes up and the hooks are up there by the mount? This just lines it up perfectly to your mount. Now you have a pedal here on the push mount. This is what you click on to open up the hooks that go onto the mount. And it'll go on the mount like this. And then when you release the pedal, it'll close like this. And that's it right there. Now it's hooked up to the mount. Now we're going to drop the plow system down and hook the winch cable up to the second hook. Now we're going to drop this winch rope down. Detach it here. And then hook it up to the second one here for plowing. Then we'll lift it up. Now you see how this picks this up perfectly, and you have this angle here on your winch rope. If you would have left it here for plowing, what would happen is you would hardly leave yourself any rope, and when you come to lift up your plow blade, your hook here and this connection here at the end of your winch rope would be banging up here against your fair lead, and you wouldn't be able to lift your plow blade very high. So just remember, this is for hooking it up to your mount underneath your ATV, and this hook over here is for plowing. Now it's the same thing when you're detaching your plow blade from your ATV. You drop it, detach it here, hook it onto this one here, lift it up a bit, and step on the pedal, pull your system out, drop it, unhook it, bring your rope back in, then you can pull your blade out. I have a bunch of other videos on the ClicknGo plow system with my ATV. I have plowing videos. Go check those out in the playlist that I'll leave a link to below. And if this video helped you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.